The couldn't create the playback session for this item error in Plex means the server failed to transcode your media for playback. Transcoding converts video files into compatible formats for your device. This error typically arises due to codec issues, insufficient hardware, network problems, or incorrect server settings. We'll focus on troubleshooting transcoder-related causes. Codec incompatibility is the primary cause of transcoding failures in Plex. Plex uses codecs to convert video files into formats compatible with your devices. When codecs are incompatible or corrupted, like HEVC, without proper hardware support, transcoding cannot occur, leading to playback session errors. Plex Server version 1.41x includes better codec detection to help prevent these issues. For best results, pre-process video files using Handbrake to ensure compatibility. Convert to MP4 container with H.264 video codec and AAC audio format. This ensures smooth transcoding and reliable playback in Plex. Transcoding in Plex requires significant processing power to convert media files in real time. If your CPU or GPU is underpowered, Plex may fail to create a playback session. This issue is particularly common with high-resolution content like 4K or HDR files, which require much more processing than standard definition. To solve this, enable hardware acceleration in Plex settings to offload transcoding work from the CPU to the GPU. For Intel processors, use QuickSync video technology. For NVIDIA GPUs, enable CUDA acceleration. On Linux systems, VAPI provides hardware acceleration support. Finally, monitor your system to ensure the CPU isn't overloaded during transcoding. Ensure your Plex media server is updated to the latest version, such as 1.41.x or newer. These updates include important bug fixes and improved support for hardware acceleration, which helps prevent transcoding errors. In your Plex settings, verify the transcoding configuration. Make sure Use Hardware Acceleration when available is enabled. This allows your GPU or specialized hardware to handle video conversion, preventing CPU overload that causes session creation failures. Also, check your quality profiles in Plex. Ensure they aren't set too high for your hardware capabilities. High resolution or bitrate settings on underpowered systems can lead to transcoding timeouts and the playback session error. By keeping your Plex server updated and configuring transcoding settings appropriately, you can maintain smooth media playback and minimize the risk of transcoding-related errors. Often, a simple server restart resolves temporary glitches. Restart both your Plex media server and the device you're streaming to. Also, temporarily disable transcoding and try direct play. If direct play works, the problem is definitely with transcoding. Network issues like insufficient bandwidth or instability can interrupt session creation in Plex. Streaming high bitrate content requires a stable network connection. Insufficient bandwidth or network instability can interrupt session creation. To resolve this, reduce the streaming quality in Plex settings, for example to 4 Mbps. If streaming remotely, ensure your internet upload speed is sufficient. Finally, test your network speed and stability to confirm everything is working. For advanced troubleshooting, start by examining the Plex media server logs. These detailed error messages can pinpoint the exact cause of the playback session failure. You can also adjust the transcoder settings to save temporary files to a faster drive. Ensure the selected location has enough space for the transcoding process. Plex is evolving with cloud-based transcoding to reduce local server strain and minimize errors. This offloads video conversion to the cloud, improving stability for complex files. AI optimization will predict transcoding requirements, preventing failures before they occur. Explore Plex Pass for premium cloud features. Regular updates ensure you benefit from these improvements.